Strange behavior. Every man has to be his own savior. I know I can make it on my own if I try, but I'm searching for a great heart to stand me by underneath the African sky. A great heart to stand me by. I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart to hold and keep me by. I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart under African skies. Sometimes I feel that you barely know me. Sometimes there's so much you can show me.
I left England when I was 6 months old. My parents divorced and I went back to where my mother was born, which was then Rhodesia, Zimbabwe now. I grew up on a farm near Gwelo in Zimbabwe. When I was 7, she remarried a South African. He was stationed in Zambia for 2 years after that, so we went to Zambia. And then when I was 12, 13, we arrived back in Johannesburg, and I've been living there ever since.
To be the sound of wild geese calling, to be 10 seasons in a night, to dance the sun beyond the tides of war and peace.
Le jeune Johnny grandit alors parmi les Zoulous, dont il épouse la culture, les traditions et bien sûr la musique. D'ailleurs, les débuts du Zoulou blanc ne datent pas d'hier.
I've been around since 1970. I made my first single in 1972. I've been around a long time, and I've been working hard to create my particular brand of music. It was difficult. So when we began playing as a band, we toured the townships because it was easier to play in townships because they were not that well monitored from from a cultural point of view. We did more shows in the townships, in fact, than we did in the white areas in the cities. Although we had shows stopped by the police in the townships when they caught us, or when they took note of the fact that there was a massive banner advertising Juluka, and they knew what Juluka was, because a lot of them didn't know what Juluka was in the beginning. It was just this, and then the shows would be stopped basically because of the white members in the band not having magisterial permission to be in a black area.
Johnny et son ami Sipho ont longtemps pratiqué la musique traditionnelle zoulou avant de former Juluka, le premier groupe sud-africain dont la réputation dépassera les frontières. Après la séparation, Johnny Clegg élargira son concept avec le projet Savuka, véritable organisation familiale dont font partie, outre les musiciens, le preneur de son Bobby Sommerfield, le manager français Claude Six et le producteur Hilton Rosenthal qui accouche Johnny depuis maintenant 10 ans.
Juluka became a success commercially, probably in spite of all the rules. I know when we originally released the first album, everybody was saying, what is this? It's too black for whites, it's too white for blacks. And we were saying, it's music. Forget about trying to put it in a pigeonhole. Just listen to it for what it is. So whatever it is, it was the first commercially successful multiracial band that South Africa had.
Conga man, won't you play it if you can, that special music? That Tumba Conga man is an African, he makes a special music.
Johnny's not just a multiracial musician. He believes in a concept, he believes in a certain morality and a certain form of society, and that everything he does within his multiracial band reflects that. It's not just a white guy playing with some black guys or some white guys playing with some black guys. It's actually, in his mind, he's reflecting a dream of what South Africa could be.
Once there was an African love song, helped us on our way, made our hearts feel as strong as the African day. Fever, fever, I'm walking to the night street. Fever, Fever, I'm walking through the night street. Fever, fever, fever.
Après le retour de Sipo à sa ferme, Johnny enregistre un album solo avant de former Savuka. Le batteur Derek Debert, qui lui est toujours resté fidèle, a ainsi été le témoin privilégié de l'évolution de la musique de Johnny Clegg et de sa subtile fusion de rock et de tradition.
It's quite hard because Western ears definitely hear absolutely different things to what African ears hear, you know. We're a gentle kind of music. We're not loud, aggressive, distorted kind of music with a heavy backbeat.
Feel the hidden power that lies inside your sound.
Johnny's basic insight has been great, you know. He's had to try and see how not to lose our identity and to make it appealing for the Western ear. He's a warm, loving person who has a very positive message. He has an offering. Savuka is an awakening band.
Bamba Ceylanda, Bamba Ceylanda, Bamba Ceylanda, Fetchy Ceylanda, Bamba Ceylanda, Bamba Ceylanda, Bamba Ceylanda, Fetchy Ceylanda, Bamba Ceylanda, Bamba Ceylanda, Bamba Ceylanda, Fetchy Ceylanda.
L'Olympia, le Festival de Montreux, le Zénith, le Printemps de Bourges en présence de Renaud et de Michel Rocard, une tournée française triomphale, les États-Unis avec Stevie Winwood et Robert Palmer, le Royal Albert Hall à Londres, les concerts Amnesty en Afrique, Johnny Clegg vole de triomphe en triomphe. Qui eût cru, il y a encore 3 ans, à la destinée internationale d'un Zoulou blanc?
For me personally, it's important to have the biggest audience possible, but I would like, and I've been trying to build, an intimate audience. It's an audience which grows with me and I grow with them. They grow through my pains. They enjoy the way I write, my hopes, my frustrations, my anger, and the same of the people in South Africa, which I try to capture. Those people who can plug into that, I feel are part of a kind of a community, a world community. So when we play or we go somewhere, I try to make people feel that, that tonight is a special event.
Oh, the sea is cold and the sky is gray. Look across the island into the bay. We are all islands till comes the day we cross the burning water.
Le plus étonnant dans le phénomène Johnny Clegg, c'est la ferveur de son public et la véritable communion qui semble unir musiciens et spectateurs, particulièrement au cours des morceaux les plus emblématiques, comme bien sûr Asim Bonanga.
So it's incredible. I don't understand it because it's happening. Yeah, it's happening. I've never seen that in my life. Some they cry, especially when you play the Asim Bonanga, the song about Mandela. Some they cry, and some they just, in that vibe of the having lighters on, cigarette lighters, different. We get different vibes all over.
Plus encore que les disques, c'est le spectacle de Savuka qui a fait de Johnny Clegg une superstar internationale. Qui au monde, à part dans son genre Michael Jackson, peut prétendre danser de manière aussi époustouflante? Mais l'exploit sportif mis à part, rien d'hollywoodien dans les chorégraphies de Johnny et de son ami d'enfance Doudou. Leur gestuelle appartient tout entière à la tradition des guerriers zoulous.
The Zulu male body is wired up to carry certain messages and to perform certain symbolic acts, ritual acts, which include dancing, stick fighting, a thing called the gia, which is a kind of like shadow boxing, but with your weapons to show off your skill, and to do this in a rhythmic way. And the demands of stick fighting itself train the young Zulu boy into perceiving his body in a certain way and to using it to communicate. So I was young enough to pick that up.
Bien sûr, pour Johnny, sa mission consiste avant tout à faire épouser, à travers le projet Savuka, ses valeurs à un public pour qui elles ne sont pas nécessairement familières.
My aim has always been to mix music and mix language and mix melodies, so that my project is a lot more complicated because I'm a Zulu guitarist. I play Zulu guitar music. I compose in the language. It's my second language. I read, write, and speak it fluently. So I understand the tradition. I work from inside the tradition. My particular aim is to find a fusion or a hybridization which can enable white people and black people to have a common feeling about a meeting point.
And fugitives, hooded eyes and weary brows seek refuge in the night. They are the scatterlings of Africa, each uprooted one, on the road to Bellamanga, where the world began. Ancient bones from all divine, echoes of the very first cry. Who made me share and wine beneath the copper sun? African idea, African idea, make the future clear, make the future clear. And we are scatterlings of Africa, journey to the sky. Far below we live forever, dreams of what we were.
Scatterlings of Africa, classé dans les hit parades anglais par Juluka, puis tube européen dans la version Savuka, figurait à nouveau début 89 sur la bande originale du film Rain Man, récompensé par de nombreux Oscars. Pour Johnny, c'était l'occasion de toucher un public différent.
I don't think it's affected our popularity amongst the general public, but I think it's helped to establish the band's credibility. There's no doubt, that's what's happened. You know, we've seen that since that event, a certain extra amount of industry respect from bands and from other. You know, we've been approached maybe to do another soundtrack for an up-and-coming movie, basically from that. So there's a lot of spin-off, indirect spin-off, which will eventually help us to establish and institutionalize the band.
He was taken in the night without any warning.
Comme pour Shadow Man, c'est à Los Angeles que Johnny et son groupe ont enregistré leur troisième album, Cruel, Crazy, Beautiful World, dans le studio de leur producteur, Hilton Rosenthal.
Wherever I am, whether I'm in LA and I'm looking home, or I'm in Paris, or I'm in Dakar in Senegal, or in London, that aspect of South Africa is always very important in my writing. Being out of South Africa gives me a different dimension. Lack of me, bud. That's really killer.
Let's do one more track.
Just gonna do one more.
One man, one vote. Step into the future. One man, one vote. In a unitary state. One man, one vote. Tell them when you see them. One man, one vote. It's the only way.
On my album, I've got a song, One Man, One Vote, which is it's about South Africa, but it's about the world. It's about the fact that, you know, democracy may be boring because every time there's a change of government, there isn't a coup and people aren't killed in the street. And, you know, for some people, maybe that's, you know, that kind of is tedious. And they would like to see some action. You know, that kind of thing we've got to get away from. We've got to realize that that particular right, or that concept of each man being empowered and having a certain amount of power to affect other people is now being recognized and legitimized in a process that's taken thousands of years to get here.
En studio comme sur scène, Savuka conserve un fonctionnement tout ce qu'il y a de plus démocratique. Johnny Clegg espère la révolution, c'est sûr, mais toujours avec le sourire.
Tell him.
Ngoba sifuna vote ukhona uthi ngoba sifuna vote
ngoba sifuna ivoti sifuna ivoti
ngoba sifuna ivoti angithi but now on this thing it's ngoba sifuna vote. There's one of you saying now vote. No, come and
Take a listen together.
No ways.
Let's take a listen.
Somebody saying I'll soon be 40 as well. The band itself is a revolution with a smile, because it evolved out of a country which has been so stricken by so many levels of problems: cultural, racial, class, ethnic, tribal, geographic, rural, urban. We have the whole first world culture versus third world culture, all those, all in one huge problem overlaid by a dominant white minority ruling over a vast black majority. When you sit down and kind of go through the whole thing logically and intellectually, it seems like it's never going to happen, you know. But you get on stage, or you go and you see a movie, or you do something, and there's a feeling and an energy that is created. And that's what I wanted this album to do, to say that there is still a fund of goodwill. There's still we will survive, we will see it through. And let's look at those patterns of repression, oppression. Let's look at the patterns of struggle, how struggle creates new things, new life. And let's smile at that.
Pour vivre en la loi, il faut être honnête, chantait Bob Dylan en 1965. En s'engageant comme il le fait, Johnny a pris le risque d'être mis au pilori à la première incartade. Mais Hilton Rosenthal, lui, ne s'inquiète pas de la moralité de son poulain.
The one thing I'm always confident of with Johnny Clegg is that no matter what criticism is thrown at him, there's such authenticity there that if it was ever anybody wanted to actually try and do an undercover operation and actually bear everything, Johnny's story is 100%. What you see is what you get.
Woman, be my country, till my country can be mine. Hide me deep inside your borders in these dark and troubled times. Remember me, my innocence, before I drown in a sea of lies. Woman, be my country.
Woman Be My Country chante Johnny Clegg sur son nouvel album. Même si la situation chez lui reste difficile, il a dédié son nouveau 45 tours, Cruel, Crazy, Beautiful World, à son fils Jesse et tient absolument à continuer de vivre en Afrique du Sud.
My wife is a bit nervous because we have just witnessed the death of assassination of a very close colleague, friend, and mentor of mine, David Webster. And I don't think anybody really thought that he would be a target for right-wing violence. And the fact that this has happened, I think, has sent quite a tremor through the left and through the progressive community in South Africa. That, you know, they can no longer argue. They no longer have a spiritual or a moral authority in any way whatsoever. And the last thing they have now is just simply might and violence and intimidation. And they've, you know, it's an indication that the struggle has reached a new level, and that the battering away at apartheid ideology has been successful.
With the crocodile in a river, you got to swim with the sharks in the sea. You got to live with the crooked, the politician. Trust those things that you can never see. Aye, yeah, yeah, just in front of. Aye, yeah, yeah. Aye, yeah, yeah, just in front of. Aye, yeah, yeah. You got to trust your lover when you go away. Keep on believing tomorrow brings a better day. Sometimes you smile while you're crying inside. And just once you turn away while the truth is shining bright. Aye, yeah, yeah, just in front of. Aye, yeah, yeah. Aye, yeah, yeah, just in front of. Aye, yeah, yeah. It's a cool, crazy, beautiful world. Every day you wake up, I hope it's under a blue sky. Beyond the door, strange, cool, beautiful, yes, now waiting for you. It kills me to know you won't escape loneliness. Maybe you'll lose hope too. Aye, yeah, yeah, yes, in front of. Aye, yeah, yeah. Aye, yeah, yeah, yes, in front of. Aye, yeah, yeah. It's a cool, crazy, beautiful world. Every time you wake up, I hope it's a blue sky. It's a cool, crazy, beautiful world. One day when you wake up, I won't have to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye. When I hold your small body close to mine, I feel weak and strong.